guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we are going to be reviewing the HerGivenHair Headband Wig in the texture Curly 3B3C by HerGivenHair. My wig is the 18-inch wig, and honestly, you guys, like, HerGivenHair keeps on bringing me heat, okay? I love their company. I have to express it every time. They're literally one of the only companies that I work with, and their hair is the truth. So it's giving natural, it's giving curly, it's giving afro, it's giving all of it, okay? So the construction of the wig is really nice. We have like 4 clips. We have the Velcro elastic headband, and they also supplied us with some headbands to use. So that was really, really nice. In the next couple of seconds, you're going to see this ghetto braid pattern, so don't mind me. I'm going to explain what I did, but make it more easier on yourself next time, all right?
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite.
All right, y'all, this is going to be a little hard to explain. At the top of my head, I split my hair from ear to ear like this, and I did 2 flat twists on the first 2. So 2 flat twists on the first 2. And then I went ahead and did a cornrow in the middle 2. Did a little cornrow. The reason I did a cornrow is because it helps lay my hair flatter since it got thicker up here. It's thinner at the ends. So now in the back, which you could barely see, there are 4 plaits. 4 plaits. So I just split my hair in half or in sections, and there's 4 plaits on each side. So a total of 8 plaits. So now I have 6 plus 8, 14 types of twists, whatever you want to call this, right? Now I'm going to figure out a way to braid this to where it's flat. So I'm just gonna take whatever I can and braid it. Once that's done, I'm gonna put a rubber band at the bottom. You could get a thinner rubber band, but this is what I have in front of me right now. So I'm gonna take this rubber band like this, and make sure you oil your scalp as well. Boom. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. You can see it's a little like flat. It's more flat on this side, but that's okay. You braid like this and bobby pin it, or you can bobby pin it this way in between your hair. So that'll also keep it flat as well. I think this is more comfortable for me, so that's what I'm gonna do. Forgive the foundation, it is not it, okay? But I guarantee you it's still going to work. And yeah, so I just washed my wig. It's pretty self-explanatory on how to wash a wig, but if you guys want me to do a detailed video, I can. But you just put the shampoo on it, get to scrubbing about 2-3 times, or even once if it's not dirty, like, you know. Yeah, so that's what I did. I'm gonna grab the wig and show you how I define it. The application is pretty simple. I'm just gonna be using a paddle brush. This is my wig brush, y'all. And then here's the wig, super beautiful. This is freshly washed, no product in it. And then I'm gonna be using this conditioner that I got from like the 99-cent store. It's by Suave, and it's a hydrating conditioner. Now with curly wigs, like, people can be really picky depending on how you take care of it, but what's worked for me lately is just using a conditioner, because this hair is human, but the way that it reacts to product is perfectly on everything. So yeah, flip the wig upside down, then I just slide it on in there. Make sure it's placed on my head. So boom. This is what it's giving. The headband wig is really cute. It already looks good. So I'm gonna take, it has a Velcro situation. Just going to Velcro it. And boom. So I like a side part. It's not giving what it's supposed to give right now, but it will. Okay. And with this you can fix your edges and everything, but right now we're just going to define the hair. It looks so cute without product. I'm obsessed. Okay. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna do this a little strange as well. I'm going to take my conditioner and put it on a brush because I'm gonna be brushing my hair. So just like that. That's a lot of conditioner, but I'm gonna brush everywhere. Hold on.
You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no.
So there is a technique that I like when it comes to defining hair. And this just makes your curls pop even more. So you're gonna take the hair, right? I'll take a section. You see how it clumps up? That's cute. But I want to twirl the brush, and it's gonna give it a more defined look to when it dries. So this is what we're giving now. Get under there. I put a lot of conditioner, so and I think my wig was sliding back, so we just gonna, and it has combs, so make it work with the combs, boo. Boom. I'm not really a big fan of combs because I always feel like it does like do something bad to my hair, but so you see a little puffiness. That's cute, but we're gonna go in. I'm gonna put some water on here because this hair works best with water. Alright, so I can go and leave like this, you know, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and make my side part because I love the way the side part gives for me. So this is gonna be my side part. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. Damp, wet a little bit, dry. This is it. So I'll come back when it's dry, and I'm also gonna do my edges. So I'll do my edges now. I'm gonna go in with my aloe vera gel and good old toothbrush, edge brush. This doesn't even lay down my edges for real. It lays it down for about the first 30 minutes and then it does what it wants to do. Like, and I'm okay with that because this is a natural look that I'm not trying to like impress anybody with. Ooh, the gel. And my edges need moisturizing. For some reason my hair is like really dry. I don't like the way my edges look. It looks a little weird, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's the look for right now. I'll come back when it's dry and show you what it look like later. I wanted to show you guys side-by-side clips of it wet versus dry. Again, looks super natural. It acts just like our natural hair texture. So if you want to buy these clip-ins, please check the cards above and the description box below. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video.